Good morning, students. This is Maithili, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics. Today, we are going to see the same mean, median, and mode problem. But the only difference is, in these problems, the given class intervals are not continuous. Continuous means that is the intervals are not equal. So first we have to rearrange the given class interval into a equal class interval. Then we have to solve the problem by using the same methods. Right. Now see the problem, given problem. Compute mean from the following data. The data are given. Class intervals are 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69. And the frequencies are given. See the class interval. The class intervals are not equal. So first we have to rearrange the class intervals. How can we rearrange? Here, listen, the solution. Here the class intervals are not continuous. It is not in continuous time. So we have to rearrange the class intervals as follows. We have to first rearrange the given class intervals. How can we rearrange? There is a method. Subtract 0.5 from the lower interval and add 0.5 from the upper interval. That is, we have to subtract 0.5 from the lower interval and add 0.5 from the upper interval. What is called lower interval and upper interval? See, 10 to 19, 20 to 29. 10 to 19, 10 is the lower interval and 19 is the upper interval. 10 is the lower interval and 19 is upper interval. Like the 20 to 29, 20 is the lower interval and 29 is the upper interval. So, you have to subtract 0.5 from the lower interval. So, from 10, we have to subtract 0.5. So, we get 9.5. And from the upper interval 19.5, we have to add 0.5, we get 19.5. So like that we proceed, we get the class intervals. See the class intervals. Now the class intervals are 9.5 to 19.5, 19.5 to 29.5, 29.5 to 39.5, 39.5 to 49.5, 49.5 to 59.5, 59.5 to 69.5. Now see the class intervals are continuous. So like this we have to rearrange the given class interval and continuous type. That is, subtract 0.5 from the lower interval and add 0.5 from the upper interval. We get the continuous class interval. And next column is the x values. X is nothing but the mid value. 9.5 to 19.5, the mid value is 14.5. Next one, 19.5 to 29.5, the mid value is 24.5. 29.5 to 39.5, the mid value is 34.5. Like this, next one 44.5, 54.5, 64.5. And next write the frequency, given frequencies. Next we have to find D. What's the formula for D? D is nothing but x minus a by c. Here I select a is equal to 34.5. So by using the value formula, we get the D values are minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Next we have to find FD. FD is nothing but multiplying F and D values, we get like this. So find summation FD is equal to 40 and capital N is equal to 113. So here the problem is compute mean. What's the formula for arithmetic mean in continuous type? X bar is equal to A plus summation FD by capital N into C. So substituting all the values, we get the answer is 38.039. Clear girls? So this is the same arithmetic mean problem. The only difference is the given class intervals are not equal. So before solving the solution, first we have to rearrange the given class intervals. How can we rearrange? Subtract 0.5 from the lower interval and add 0.5 from the upper interval. We get the continuous class interval. Clear girls? Okay. Now see one more problem in median. Same one. Marks, number of students. What marks are given? 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89, 90 to 99. See, here the class intervals are not equal. So how can we find the equal class interval? See the solution. Here the intervals are not continuous. So same procedure, subtract 0.5 in the lower interval and add 0.5 in the upper interval. So the intervals become, see, 20 to 29. 20 is the lower interval, 29 is upper interval. So subtract 0.5 from 20, we get 19.5. And add 0.5 from 29, we get 29.5. Like that. See all the class interval, we get 19.5 to 29.5, 29.5 to 39.5, 39.5 to 49.5, 49.5 to 59.5, 59.5 to 69.5, 69.5 to 79.5, 79.5 to 89.5, 89.5 to 99.5. Here we have to find median. So no need to find x values and all. So simply write the frequency values, and next we have to find cumulative frequency, right girls? So first write the frequency values, that is 5, 12, 15, 20, 18, 10, 6, 5, and find capital N is equal to 91. Next we have to find the cumulative frequency. What is cumulative frequency? 5, 5 plus 12, 17, 17 plus 15, 32, 32 plus 20, 52, 52 plus 18, 70, 70 plus 10, 80, 80 plus 6, 86, 86 plus 5, 91. 91. Right. So median, we know that median formula L plus capital N by 2 minus M by F into C. So first find N by 2. N by 2 is nothing but 91 divided by 2, we get 45.5. Right. See, value 45.5, where it lies in cumulative frequency. See, in cumulative frequency la நம்ம check பண்ணனும். So in cumulative frequency, see where 45.5 lies. See, between 32 to 52, right? 32 ku 52 ku in between la da 45.5 is lies. Right. In between 32 to 54, 52, 45.5 lies. So select that row. See, I put one box, select that row. So in the corresponding lower interval is 49.5. So L is equal to 49.5. And M is equal to cumulative frequency of the pre-median class. What is a pre-median class? Is 32. And F is equal to frequency of the median class. So frequency, C frequency, that is 20. And C is equal to class intervals. Clear girls? First find N by 2. So 45.5. And see where the 45.5 lies in cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency தான் பார்க்கணும். So in between 32 to 52, 45.5 lies. So put one box, that is in between 52. So you have to draw one box. So the corresponding lower interval is 49.5, and the frequency value is F is equal to 20, and cumulative frequency of the pre-median class is 32. M is equal to 32 and C is equal to 10. Substitute all the values in the formula. We get the answer median is equal to 56.25. Clear? Same one in mode. See, the class intervals are given 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44, 45 to 49, 50 to 54, 55 to 59, 60 to 64, 65 to 69. And all the number of students values are given. This is number of students. Okay. So see the class intervals. Here the class intervals are not equal. So first what we have to find? We have to rearrange the class interval. Here the class intervals are not continuous. So subtract 0.5 in lower interval and add 0.5 in upper interval. So the class intervals, see the class intervals, 14.5, 15 to 19. 15 is a lower interval. Subtract 0.5 from 15, we get 14.5. And add 0.5 in 19, we get 19.5. Like that proceed, we get the class intervals. All these are the class intervals. And this is mode. So just find frequency. Okay. So what's the formula for mode? Mode formula is L plus del 1 divided by del 1 plus del 2 into C. So first we have to find the highest frequency. So these are the frequencies are given 6, 14, 12, 16, 10, 9, 9, 0, 5, 4, 1. Which is the highest frequency, girls? F1 is the highest frequency. This is F1, and F0 is equal to the before term. Before term F0 is equal to 12, and F2 is equal to after term, next frequency, that is 10. Clear? F1 is equal to 16, F0 is equal to 12, F2 is equal to 10. Now right, L is equal to nothing but what is L corresponding to F1 value? F1 is highest frequency 16. So corresponding intervals are 29.5 is the lower interval. So L is equal to 29.5, F1 16, F0 12, F2 10. Now find del 1. What's the formula for del 1? Del 1 is nothing but f1 minus f0. That is 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. f2 is equal to f1 minus f2. That is 16 minus 10 is equal to c. 6. And c is equal to 5. The class intervals is 5. Now find, substitute the values in the mode formula. We get the answer is 31.5. Clear, girls? Now see the next problem. Find the mean and median. Find the mean and median. See the problem, girls. Wages in rupees are given, number of persons are given. Wages in rupees. See the class, how can it given like this? Less than 10, less than 20, less. There is class intervals are continuous type only, but it is not given in the direct method. See the wages, the class intervals are given in less than type, less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60, less than 70, less than 80. And number of persons are given. The persons is 12, 30, 65, 107, 157, 202, 222, 230. First we have to form the class intervals. We have to rearrange the class intervals. See the next one. We have to rearrange the class intervals. How can we find the class intervals? So less than 10 means 0 to 10. See the next one. Less than 10 means 0 to 10. Less than 20 means 10 to 20. Okay, less than 30 means 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Next, see the frequencies. But in this type, the number of persons are, these columns are not frequencies. Here, less than 10 means, in this method, cumulative frequencies are given. Okay, in this type method, less than type method, normally frequencies are not given directly, but cumulative frequencies are given. So in the method la frequencies கொடுக்க மாட்டாங்க, cumulative frequency தான் கொடுப்பாங்க. So from that cumulative frequency we have to find the frequency. Cumulative frequency ல இருந்து நம்ம என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? We have to find frequency. How can we find the frequency? See the wages. So we have to write the class intervals are written. So number of persons. First write the first value as it is 12. Next we have to find the next value. Listen, 30 minus 12. 30 minus 12, 18. And next value is 65 minus, we have to subtract the succeeding term to the preceding term. Okay, that is 65 minus 30, 35. Next one, 107 minus 65, 42. 157 minus 107, 50. 202 minus 157, 45. 222 minus 202, 20. Next, 230 minus 222, 8. So, the frequencies, see the frequencies are nothing but 12, 18, 35, 42, 50, 45, 28. So, these are the frequencies. In this type, less than type, listen carefully girls, less than type problem, frequencies are not given directly. Instead of frequency, cumulative frequency only given. We have to find the frequency. Frequency கொடுக்க மாட்டாங்க, cumulative frequency தான் கொடுப்பாங்க less than type methodல. We have to find the frequency by using the type. So you have to subtract the preceding term. ஒரு backward இருந்து you have to subtract the backward term to forward term. So that is the frequency. So here we have to find mean and median, no? So here h is equal to 10. Maximum frequency, what is called? So maximum frequency is equal to, maximum frequency, what is the maximum frequency is 50. So mid value corresponding to the maximum frequency is, what is the mid value corresponding to the maximum frequency is 45. So listen. So next we have to find the table. So table means wages, class intervals. So 0 to 10, write the mid x values and write the frequency values. We find the values 12, 18, that is frequency values. Next find d. D is equal to x minus a by c. And then find fd, and then last one cumulative frequency. The cumulative frequencies are given values 12, 30, 65, that are cumulative frequency. From the cumulative frequency we find frequency. So first find median, same procedure, first find median and then same procedure find median. So this is the type of the less than type method. Dear girls, the first types are nothing but the class intervals are not in continuous type. So we have to rearrange the class interval into continuous by using What method? Subtract 0.5 in the lower interval and add 0.5 to the upper interval. That's the method. And then you, as usual, same method, we have to find mean, median and mode. But in this method, the class intervals are given in the less than type. So less than type means frequencies are not given directly. So cumulative frequency is only given. So we have to find the frequency and solve the problem. That is the type of less than method type. See the homework, some girls. So determine mode, mean and median. You have just find mean, median and mode. Same method, less than type, less than 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And number of students are given. Number of students means this is nothing but cumulative frequencies are given. So first we are less than 10 means what is 0 to 10. 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90. So like that we have to form the class interval. The number of students here, less than type, number of students is nothing but cumulative frequency. From that cumulative frequency, first we have to find the frequency. How can we find the frequency? The first term is 5. The next term is nothing but 15 minus 5. The next term is 98 minus 15. The next term is 242 minus 98. Like that, 367 minus 242. 405 minus 367. Like that, we have to subtracting the term, we get the frequency. So after, we have to find mean, median, mode. Okay. So girls, this method is also very, very important method. Girls, just go through the method and recall all the mean, median and mode formulas. Do the homework sums. Coming Friday, you have test in mean, median and mode. Okay, you have any doubts, you can call me. I will clear your doubts. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.